Let us try another problem. So what we have here now in the demultiplexer tree section, implement 1:16 demux using 1:4. So what I have is 1:4, means 4 output line, 1 input line, and I have to implement 16 output lines. So with the help of 4 output lines I have to multiply it by 4. So I'll be requiring 4 1:1 demux. So that will be corresponding to y0 to y3, y0 to y3, this is y4 to y7, y8 to y11, and y12 to y15. So 15 outputs will be there if I'll cascade this 4 demux. But for this 4 demux I have 4 data input lines, so D in, and 2 select lines for each one, S0 S1. So what I will do, I will short this S0 S1, means these two will be acting together simultaneously, these two will act together. Now what about how to drive these 4 ICs, that is how to drive these 4 data input pins. So I'll be requiring one more demultiplexer, that is one more 1:4 demux. So what I have here, one more 1:4 demux having the data input line which is connected to plus VCC or the logic 1. Now this is also having 2 select lines, S0 S1. Now output of this one, that is nothing but O1, O2, O3 and O4 are connected to the respective data lines. So I will use these outputs to drive these 1:4 demux. Now I have successfully implemented this one, but problem is remaining. Here I have 2 select lines and 2 select lines. So with the help of 2 and 2, 4 select lines, I can easily implement 1:16 demux. Before that, all the enable pins are connected to ground, that is nothing but logic low. So these are the enable pins connected to ground. You can name them E. So all the ICs are activated. Now how to set up the MSB and LSB bit? Since I need to implement 1:16, that is nothing but it's a function of 4 variables, A, B, C, D. So these are going to be my select lines, in which I will treat A as the MSB and D as the LSB. Now how to set up LSB and LSB? I know that these 4 ICs are driven by the single IC here. So this IC is driving these 4 ICs, means this is bigger. So what I will tell is, this IC is having the major part playing. So these select lines will be of most significant bits. So I'll put here A and B, showing A as MSB. And what about CD? So I will short these lines, means S1 is gonna be C and S0 is gonna be D. So I will short S1 to S1, S0 to S0. This is C and this one is D. So for D I will write down LSB. Now you can check any of the combinations. Let us say A, B, C, D. So for A, B, C, D, I'll set the bits as 1, 1, 0, 0. So starting from MSB to LSB, since AB is 1, 1, so O4 will be selected, because for combinations of AB 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 will work like this. And for 1, 1, D, O4 is selected, and O4 means what, this data input is shorted to O4 because AB are 1, 1, and after O4 this data will be shorted to this D input, that is nothing but the last 1:4 demux. And if you say CD is 0, 0, so CD 0, 0 will corresponds to Y12, that is nothing but first one, Y12, Y13, Y14, Y15. So first one is Y12. The data input pin will appear here at Y12. So means your design is successful. If you consider the decimal equivalent of this position ABCD 1100, it is nothing but 12. So output is at 12. So you can cross check all the combinations. Thank you for watching in 5 minutes. This is all about the demultiplexer tree diagram. Stay tuned. Thank you.